Hello everyone, if you are having a challenge with logging in with your email onto Microsoft Edge, anytime that you try logging in, it keeps popping up this message. We have detected a problem with your cookie settings. So we have enable cookies, clear cache and cookies. So these are problems that anytime you try logging with your Gmail account, it keeps popping up this message for you. Don't worry, I got you in this video. So without further delay, let's get started. The first thing for us to do is that we have to clear the browsing data, just as it says. We have to clear the cache and cookies. To clear our cookies, just go onto your three dot here, as you can see here. Click on this three dot and then now come to settings. Right, under settings, just go to privacy search and services. Click on that and then we can see that we have here clear browsing data. So click on that. Right, so as it says that, so you click on choose what to clear. So here, as it's recommending that you have to clear the cookies and caches, what you have to do is that just in order for you to be safe on the other hand and check all this your browsing data and download history and check everything while leaving only the cookies and cache. So once that is done, and then here you just have to select within whether 24 hours, but it will be best that you select all time. So once you just select that, then you click on clear now. So once it's been cleared, restart the browser and try logging in again to see whether your email is going to succeed in logging in. The next step, if it still doesn't log in, try this, reset Edge settings, and by resetting the Edge settings, once again just go to the three dot here again, come to the settings. We can see here we have here reset settings, click on that. As it click on that, so we have this restore settings to the value, so click on that, and then as you can see we have here, so click on reset. So once you click on reset, the browser is going to reset whatever configurations or settings that you have done onto the browser back to the default settings and all that. If still this doesn't work, we have to enable the cookies. And by enabling the cookies, it's very easy and simple. Just add a new page. Once you open the new page, on your title bar, just type in edge column / and then bring in flags. Right, so click on that. As you are on flags, so in here just search for cookies. So cookies, these are cookies. What you just need to do is that you just have to enable them. Just click on this, enable this, click on this, enable that, and then click on this and enable that. So once you just enable this, you just have to restart the browser. And if you restart the browser, you just have to restart the browser. Once you restart the browser, try logging in with your Gmail again to see whether it's going to work or not. Right, so as you can see, once I just restarted, now what you just have to do is that go into the Gmail and try to log in again. So you say Gmail login. Alright, so login. Now enter the email. Already I have this here, so just go to next and then enter your password. Next, and right here, no. Right, so these are the options available for me to be able to log in. So what I just have to do is that I'll have to use my phone to verify the code. So click on get verification code. So enter my phone number. Right, so send. Right, so once you just send, they're going to send to me the verification code. It's a two-step verification code, so I'm going to receive it at my end here. Next, so enter the code and then just verify. So as you can see, my email has been able to log in successfully on the Edge browser. So if you are having these challenges of cookie problem, this is just how easy and simple it is to solve it. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.